Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in my thumbnail, today I will talk about a day in my life as a homemaker. What I do all from my dawn to dusk. If you want to know, then just stick with me and watch the whole video, right? So, today I am going to take you through a day in my life as a homemaker, right? You know, life might not always be a bed of roses, but I try to make every day count, and also I try to keep things running smoothly. So, if you are curious about how I spend my day, so let's grab a cup of tea with me and start together, right? So, basically, my day starts bright and early. I usually hit the ground running by 6 o'clock, especially there's a long to do list waiting. So, first thing I do, I make a cup of tea to kickstart my day, right? And then immediately I rush to prepare breakfast and lunch for my kids and my husband. And I also help them to get ready. After sending them off to school and my husband to my husband to his work, then now it's time to roll up my sleeves to get things done, whether it's a cleaning, cooking, right, or organize the organizing the thing at right place, right. I just try to stay on the ball, after then I plan the meal for the day. Being a homemaker, there's always something to do, but I try to stay on top of everything, without taking too much stress. And I also like to listen some podcast videos and conversational videos while I walk in my kitchen. And sometimes I play old song when I am doing my errands. And these things makes the chores feel lighter. And now it comes to my favorite part, that is cooking, where I try to do some creative, and in this way I try to release my stress as well. So I always enjoy cooking something different, like when I cook some uh, desserts or different kind of we can say snacks. Then I just try to put some ingredients or different kind of spices to make it tempting and tastier. And that this is always hits the spot, and my children love to have it. So that's my motive, because I want to feed them healthy foods, right. And once my lunch is done and dusted, then I just try to take some rest to recharge my battery, right. And I use my afternoon productively. uh, yes, whether it whether I read some books, or I make some practice call, or learning something related to English, right. So I try not to let the grass grow under the feet. If I talk about my evenings, so my evenings are always a juggling act. I help my daughter to complete her homework and preparing dinner and making sure everything should be ready for next day. And before hit the hay, I just try to take a moment for relax, and then again I try to make a practice call, and then I just chant some mantras for my mental peace, right. And this is how I spend my whole day. And being a homemaker means wearing many hats, right. But I do it with my all hearts, right? Some days are, some days are busy, some days are challenging, and some days are easy. But I do because, after all, it's a life. So thank you so much for spending a day with me. And if you enjoyed this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more homemaking stories and recipes and of course English tips. So see you soon and keep smiling, keep learning. Bye. Have a great time.